Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the practical problems. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. Test gauges shall not have a pressure range more than blank. Letter A, equal to the test pressure applied load. Letter B, 15 psi. Letter C, twice the test pressure applied load. Letter D, 60 psi. The answer is letter C, twice the test pressure applied load. Question number 2. The minimum septic tank capacity, in gallons, for a single-family dwelling with 2 bedrooms. Letter A, 500. Letter B, 750. Letter C, 1000. Letter D, 1200. The answer is letter B, 750. Question number 3. Electrical demand in a wiring system is determined by the amount of blank. Letter A, ohms in the entire system. Letter B, voltage a system draws. Letter C, watts consumed. Letter D, water pressure in the system. The answer is letter C, watts consumed. Question number 4. Packing ring notches in a centrifugal type pump should be blank when placed in the stuffing box. Letter A, staggered 90 degrees. Letter B, made of rubber not metal. Letter C, watertight. Letter D, heated. The answer is letter A, staggered 90 degrees. Question number 5. What are the basic requirements for an acceptable meter installation? Letter A, leakage rate kept to a minimum. Letter B, always be in the public's view. Letter C, position in a horizontal plane, not tilted. Letter D, hide behind a fence near dog confinement areas. The answer is letter C, position in a horizontal plane, not tilted. Question number 6. The C factor relates to blank. Letter A, indicate the smoothness of the interior of a pipe. Letter B, the elevation of the invert of a pipeline. Letter C, a line that represents the elevation of energy head of water. Letter D, a water service shutoff valve. The answer is letter A, indicate the smoothness of the interior of a pipe. Question number 7. When turning a centrifugal pump off, which of the following has to be done to prevent water hammer? Letter A, close the discharge valve. Letter B, check its temperature. Letter C, throttle the suction valve. Letter D, allow the pump to cavitate. The answer is letter A, close the discharge valve. Question number 8. The 3 main components of a centrifugal pump are blank. Letter A, propeller, motor and wiring harness. Letter B, wear rings, lantern rings and volute. Letter C, impeller, case and shaft. Letter D, shaft, wear rings and AC power connection. The answer is letter C, impeller, case and shaft. Question number 9. The removal of nitrogen from a system with the medical gas required for that system is referred to as blank. Letter A, system purge. Letter B, system test. Letter C, flow test. Letter D, flow purge. The answer is letter A, system purge. Question number 10. SCFM is the flow rate of a gas or air through a compressor at standard temperature and pressure conditions. SCFM stands for blank. Letter A, standard criteria for medicine. Letter B, standard criteria for machine. Letter C, standard cubic feet per minute. Letter D, standard cubic feet per meter. The answer is letter C, standard cubic feet per minute. Question number 11. If a court finds a portion of the code unconstitutional, then blank. Letter A, the entire code is invalid. Letter B, the rest of the code remains in force and valid. Letter C, that portion is still valid. Letter D, the authority having jurisdiction can overrule the court decision. The answer is letter B, the rest of the code remains in force and valid. Question number 12. This subject is not included in the early Master Plumber Licensure examinations, but it is now included in the 4 subjects of the said licensure examination. Letter A, plumbing arithmetic. Letter B, sanitation, plumbing design and installation. Letter C, plumbing code. Letter D, practical problems. The answer is letter D, practical problems. Question number 13. Powered or administered the RA 1378. Letter A, registered master plumber. Letter B, Board of Master Plumber. Letter C, administrative authority. Letter D, Professional Regulation Commission. The answer is letter B, Board of Master Plumber. Question number 14. An organization that conforms the standards and specifications of all plumbing materials. Letter A, Department of Trade and Industry. Letter B, Product Standards of the Philippines. Letter C, ANSI. Letter D, DOST. The answer is letter B, Product Standards of the Philippines. Question number 15. It is the standard location for a hot water valve. Letter A, right. Letter B, left. Letter C, front. Letter D, back. The answer is letter B, left. Question number 16. The maximum temperature for shower. Letter A, 40 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 50 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 60 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 80 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter C, 60 degrees Celsius. Question number 17. The shape used to determine the men's comfort room. Letter A, triangle. Letter B, square. Letter C, circle. Letter D, oval. The answer is letter A, triangle. Question number 18. A government agency that sets the criteria for the disposal of sanitary sewage. Letter A, DOST. Letter B, DENR. Letter C, DPWH. Letter D, NEDA. The answer is letter B, DENR. Question number 19. The minimum size in meters of a water closet stall or cubicle intended for PWDs, letter A, 1.8 by 1.6. Letter B, 1.5 by 1.8. Letter C, 1.9 by 2.0. Letter D, 1.7 by 1.8. The answer is letter D, 1.7 by 1.8. Question number 20. In the revised PD 1096, known as the National Building Code, one of its provisions is the limitation practice of a master plumber to sign and seal how many units of fixtures? Letter A, 10. Letter B, 20. Letter C, 100. Letter D, unlimited. The answer is letter B, 20. Question number 21. It is a system when larger diameters of pipes are located at the bottom of the riser. Letter A, up-feed distribution system. Letter B, down-feed distribution system. Letter C, circulating return system. Letter D, return riser system. The answer is letter A, up-feed distribution system. Question number 22. Accessibility law for PWDs, letter A, BP 444. Letter B, BP 344. Letter C, BP 334. Letter D, BP 443. The answer is letter B, BP 344. Question number 23. The system of piping consisting of threaded pipes and uses recessed drainage fittings, used in soil and waste piping system. Letter A, Sovint system. Letter B, Durham system. Letter C, threaded system. Letter D, up-feed and down-feed system. The answer is letter B, Durham system. Question number 24. The term running toilet means blank. Letter A, clogged water closet. Letter B, damaged flapper. Letter C, auto flashing. Letter D, loose toilet flange. The answer is letter B, damaged flapper. Question number 25. What part of faucet is commonly repaired? Letter A, disc. Letter B, washer. Letter C, body. Letter D, packing. The answer is letter B, washer.
That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.